In a vast peanut farm, a little peanut named Poco lay hidden beneath the soil, dreaming of adventure. Unlike the fruits and vegetables that grew above ground, he had never seen the sky, the sun, or the world beyond. One day, the farmer gently pulled Poco and his friends from the earth. "Time to see the world," he said, tossing them into a basket. Poco was taken to a market, where a young girl named Mia picked up a bag of peanuts with excitement. At home, Mia's grandmother roasted the peanuts, filling the kitchen with a warm, nutty aroma. When Mia took a bite, she smiled. "These are amazing, Grandma." As Poco was enjoyed with laughter and joy, he realized something: though small and hidden, he had a special purpose. He wasn't just a peanut, he was a source of energy, happiness, and delicious memories. Peanuts sparkles.